All right, so we've talked about this, we've teased it. Now is the day. It's time to sell George's EP3. And when I say this is bittersweet, it really is, because there was an idea of this car. He had some plans, and we both had, you know, kind of like a mindset what we were going to do with this car. And he already started the modifications. So everyone knows what this is. It's a 2003 Civic Si. This is known as the EP3. It's like one of the last hatchbacks before they changed to everything went to coupe. But cool platform, everything fits it. It's already a K-series motor. Every K motor will fit in it. It's like the new version of the EG, in my opinion. Super easy to swap. Tons and tons of modifications and tons of upgrades. So I'll tell you what I'll do is I'm going to pass you over to George. He's going to tell you a little bit about it. He's going to tell you the year and what he's done so far and the miles, and then we'll show you around the car as he tells you.
It's 2003. I bought it because it was stock. 100% stock when I got it. And it's the only SI model that was made in Swindon, UK, 100%. This is a 100% European design car, which is one of the things I really liked about it. There's a whole bunch of things in this that you're not going to find in others because it's European design. And the first thing you always do to one of these is a K-Pro. So the K-Pro is already in there and done. And then suspension, because the suspension is getting old. So Skunk2 coilovers with Pro STs. They're in, they're adjusted, it's aligned along with the Skunk2 rear camber arms. They're in, adjusted, aligned. I'm sure you've seen the videos of me doing that. And here they are. So there's obviously the original front strut. There's the brand new Skunk2 struts. So I'll get these with a initial adjustment, you know, get the springs to where they don't have any slack in them, and then measure them both, make sure they're the same, and drop them in. The car has 126,000 miles on it, with all original components still intact as far as engine, transmission, clutch. Everything is still in there with factory miles on it. Like I said, I bought it because it was stock. I didn't want a modified car to begin with. You know, that way I can do nice, tasteful modifications to it. It's got a Honda factory performance spoiler. I actually got this from another one of the YouTube viewers. This was brand new in the box. Brand new in the box HFP spoiler for an EP3. And in my opinion, this car just looks wrong without it. So it had to go on there.
All right, so this is the stock engine still, right?
Yeah, stock.
The K20 A3.
It just looks fancy because I've got Type R covers on it. These
do look nice in here, and again, this was part of the plan, was to take this out and put in a K24. So this is our proposal, or this is our idea, so I'm going to kind of share the idea with you guys. If you've called, as you know, LHT is booked up pretty tight right now, but to help George out and to help this get in the right hands with the right combination, no one's going to buy this car and say, well, this is the performance engine that I want. This is obviously a good engine, but it's not a hot motor. The engine to go with is cost the K24. Well, we have a couple of mounts in stock. We have brand new Hasport mounts, and I think George also has the bracket for this side.
I've got a billet aluminum 24 swap bracket.
Yeah, the billet aluminum bracket, so when you put the K24 in here, it fits right. A lot of people will pack washers over here, which it works, but it's not really the best way to go. So he has that bracket. We have a couple of sets of Hasport mounts in stock. So basically what we're going to do is put a package together. Call us, let us know what you're looking for. We'll put a package together. We will put the motor in this car that you want. Might not have enough time to do special motors or turbo kits or supercharger kits, but if this is the engine you're after, this is the way to go because it's in good shape. But in my opinion, this car needs a K24. It needs 220, 230 wheel. Then this car will be an absolute blast.
If you can see it, it does have a Jackson Racing header on it. That's the only thing done to it. I put that on myself.
Now, is that going to fit with a K24, or are we going to have to build a header?
I've heard it does fit with the 24. I haven't seen it in person, but I've heard it does fit.
Okay, so we will put something together. We'll put a K24 in here for you. If that's something you want, we'll put a package together. We have the brand new mount kit, so it's going to be right. We have the billet bracket. So the engine is going to be put in LHT style. You know our quality, you know our reputation. That's what we're going to do with this. Of course, if you want the car the way it is, let's go take it for a drive and let let George drive it for you, and we'll get some drive-by shots and some sound clips, and we'll see how it runs just the way it is. But everything works. Air conditioning works, power steering works. Of course, it's electric power steering, which is kind of cool. So this is kind of a rare thing. Not only is the key in mint condition, he has the valet key too. Alright, so stock exhaust other than the header, correct?
Yeah, everything's stock.
Okay, air conditioning is cold. We're in Florida, so we need that.
It actually is a little warm out right now.
Alright, so this has the Skunk2 Pro ST fully adjustable coilovers. Now, you've owned these for, what, 6 months?
I think so.
What do you say the handle like?
They're really good. It needs more tire on it now. They're just stock wheels. If you had a bigger wheel and tire combo, it'd be a lot better.
Yeah. What's it set on right now? Because it rides. I mean, we're hitting those bumps there. It rides pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's a little more than middle.
And these are 16-way adjustable, right?
16.
Okay. 16, so we've got plenty of adjustment more if we need to tighten it up, if it's going to go track use. So let's run up the road here, go through the gears. Let's get a feel of it. We did actually put it on the dyno and kind of tweak it a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Remember what it made?
143, I think, but it still had the stock exhaust manifold and cat on it.
Okay, so that's actually not too bad. And sitting over here, I mean, as a daily driver, you've been daily driving it, it feels pretty good. I mean, it's not, you know, it's not loud, it's not obnoxious. You could drive this as a daily and a weekend fun car.
Yeah.
But like I said, the ideal package, this is in my opinion, of course you can make, you know, 400 or 500 horsepower.
Well, there's a 20, if you want to do a 20, you can do a 20A2, or the 20A Type R, those are great because the car's not heavy. But the 24A2 from the TSX, really great option.
We've built a couple of those, we've driven some, we've tuned them, and they're so torquey, and this car being so light, it just rips. And that's part of the fun aspect. Obviously, if you're making a drag car, there's a few options. But just for the fun daily driving part of it, a bone stock TSX motor with the K-Pro. The K-Pro is all ready to go. That's another beauty of this. Put whatever motor in, the K-Pro is already there. You'll have a fun, fast daily driver, weekend warrior, a little bit of road course, a little bit of drag strip. It'd be a great package. So there it is. The car is ready for sale. Just to go over the modification list, it has the Skunk2 Pro ST Coilovers, the Skunk2 rear adjustable camber kit. It has the Hondata K-Pro in it already. So we have a few options for this, one of which is the K24, the TSX motor. I think that will fit the car fantastic, and it was kind of the direction George was going to go. But we're going to make an exception. We'll work late nights, weekends, whatever it takes to try and get one of these motor packages in this car. So if you want to buy it, we will have it set up exactly the way you want it. Hit me up on Instagram or hit George up and we will go over a few options. We have Hasport mounts in stock. George has the billet mount, so the K24 will fit in there perfect. We'll put the motor in, we'll put a brand new clutch in it, we'll go through it, we'll go and tune it, we'll make it absolutely perfect, ready to go, and it's exactly the way I think this car should be.